Behind me is our newest listing, a 2-bedroom condo in downtown Des Plaines. If you're looking for city living, but in the suburbs, Des Plaines is a great option. This location is steps from everything. You're right downtown, so you're close to entertainment, such as the Des Plaines Theater. There's restaurants. There's also a lot of conveniences like hair and nail salons. And you'll have easy access, including O'Hare and the Metra rail, so you can jump on and head to the city, whether you're going for fun or commuting. Welcome inside. Some of my favorite things about this unit are the open floor plan. The seller took down some walls and it really made it incredible space. The fact that it's a corner unit, it has extra windows that provide great views and a lot of extra natural light, and the amazing kitchen. It's been fully remodeled, and the showpiece is this huge center island that make it great for meal prep or entertaining space. Other features include a primary bathroom with jetted tub and separate shower, walk-in closets in each bedroom, abundant storage, and parking in a heated garage. Come see for yourself, schedule a private tour with us, and get ready to move in so you can enjoy springtime in Des Plaines.